Ancient civilizations measured time by shadows alone. Then, a mechanical revolution changed everything. Imagine a world without truly precise time. For centuries, water clocks and sundials sufficed, but these primitive methods faced many limitations. Europe saw a growing need for greater accuracy. Around the 13th century, a new idea emerged. The first true mechanical clocks appeared in public. This innovation would reshape human civilization forever. Early mechanical clocks were monumental structures. They often featured intricate iron frameworks inside towers. These machines used falling weights for power. The verge escapement was a core innovation for them. It converted continuous motion into oscillatory movement. A foliate balance regulated this new mechanism. Salisbury Cathedral installed its clock in 1386. This design marked a pivotal moment in timekeeping. Accuracy was still a significant challenge initially. Clocks often lost or gained hours daily then. Galileo Galilei observed swinging lamps intently. He noted their consistent oscillation period precisely. Pendulum clock concept. Later, Christiaan Huygens developed the idea further.
In 1656, Huygens patented the first pendulum clock.
This invention dramatically improved timekeeping accuracy. Now, clocks could keep time within minutes only. Homes and public spaces eagerly adopted these devices. The pendulum clock fueled scientific progress globally. It enabled more precise astronomical observations. Long-distance sea travel posed a critical problem. Navigators struggled with longitude determination at sea. John Harrison dedicated his life to solving this. He built 4 groundbreaking marine chronometers meticulously. Harrison's H4, completed in 1759, was revolutionary. It remained accurate despite ship movement and weather. This solved the critical longitude challenge at last. Safe global navigation became finally possible for all. The British Parliament awarded Harrison greatly for his work. His work saved countless lives and ships at sea. It transformed global trade and exploration forever. Standardized time zones emerged globally from this need. Factories needed synchronized work schedules efficiently. Precision mechanics became highly valued engineering. The quest for accuracy never truly ended there. Atomic clocks now measure time with extreme precision. These modern marvels trace their lineage directly back. From simple escapements, immense complexity arose. The mechanical clock's journey is truly remarkable. It transformed how we perceive and use time daily.
This innovation powered human advancement profoundly forward.
Cathedrals hit to satellites. Its immense impact endures. If advancement profoundly enjoyed this forward, its immense impact endures.